Good morning, everyone, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use a feature called AutoFill in Microsoft Excel. If you notice, I've written the number 10,000 in row number 1. Now, instead of you having to write the number 10,000 again in rows 2, 3, 4, and 5, there's an easier way to do this. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first thing you want to do is click on the row until it's highlighted. So as you can see now, the row with the number 10,000 is highlighted. Now I want you to pay close attention to this dot right over here. All you have to do now is basically drag down and select the rows that you want the number 10,000 to appear in. So as you can see, I've selected row number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now once I release my finger, you'll notice that the 10,000 number is in rows 2 through 5. 1 was already filled in because I pre-filled that one. And so if you have found this tutorial to be helpful, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.